All right, this is Mr. Mayhew with another edition of Technology. How do you do that? Today we're going to be taking a look at a simple Pong game here that we've developed in Scratch. And there's a few things that we need to do to our Pong game to make it a little more exciting. So one of the things that you need to do when you're creating a game is to change costumes, switch backdrops and stuff. And over here on the right-hand side, you can see that I've wrote some script that switches the backdrop and the costume and all of that awesome stuff over here. So in the beginning, you want it to go back to your start screen or the first level because this is where you want it to start. So you want to make sure that it goes to the backdrop you want it to start on and the costume you want it to start on. So that's why it's like that in the beginning. Then if you survive for 8 seconds, you go to the next backdrop and it switches costumes again. So this backdrop switches to a baseball field and a baseball bat because it matches the backdrop. Now, if you press play here, we're going to take a look at it real quick. And let's see if we can get it to work here. There we go. Oh, I already died. I'm going to see if I can stay alive here for 8 seconds. All I got to do is survive for 8 seconds. Alright, I can't survive for 8 seconds. So anyways, oh no, man, this game is tough. So anyways, if I can survive, oh man, that's horrible. Let's see if I can just get it to spin in a circle. So, as you can see, oh man, well, I can't get it to switch. My game's too hard. So what I'm going to do real quick is go to this and have it change after 3 seconds because I probably can survive then. And let's try this again. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, it switched to a baseball and a bat and all of that stuff here. So you can have it change, and I changed the line to a "do not touch the red" basically. So there's lots of different things you can do. So one more thing that you might want to do, let's say you want it to say level 1, level 2, or something like that. You can go to costumes, or not costumes. If you go down here and click on your stage backdrops and go to backdrops, right here, it would be nice if it said level 1 at the top or something like that. So if you click on the text and you put in the text level 1, you could have it say level 1 and stuff like that. And some of you are probably thinking, well, how do I instead have it just show up for a few seconds and then go away while level 1 is playing? Well, that's a good question. Basically, what you would have to do is duplicate your backdrop here. So you duplicate it, and now you have, where's the second backdrop? Duplicate. Okay, so now you have 2 backdrops. One you would put the text on, right? Level 1, and then you'd have it up for like 2 seconds, and then it would switch to the normal backdrop where it would go away. So you can write that code in there, and that's how you could get it words to show up on the screen for a few seconds. You could also do this on how to give instructions for your game and stuff like that too. So this is Mr. Mayhew. Again, just with technology, how do you do that?